In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Among Us on Android. Okay, so all you need to do is launch up the Google Play Store, and then you want to search for, in the search bar, Among Us. Tap on the first result, and now you'll see two buttons underneath the Among Us name. It'll say uninstall and open. Now, if yours doesn't say open and it says update, that means you can go ahead and update Among Us. So all you would have to do is tap on the update button, wait for it to download the new update, and then your Among Us will be updated. Now, if you don't want to do this manually every single time there's a new Among Us update, you can go back and then tap on those three horizontal lines at the top left of the Play Store. And then if you tap on settings, kind of like in the middle of the screen, you can see an option that says auto update apps. If you go ahead and tap on that, you have two options: update over any network, update over Wi-Fi only, and don't auto update apps. You don't want to select the don't auto update apps. You want to go ahead and select over Wi-Fi only. In my opinion, that is the best option. So when you're connected to Wi-Fi, it'll automatically update your apps in your Google Play Store, and then you won't have to worry about manually going in every time there is an Among Us update. So those are the two ways of how you can update Among Us on your Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.